Hi friends, today I will be showing you how to enable Wi-Fi calling on your Android device, and using this feature you will be able to call to anyone within the country for free without using your balance. So you would require an active recharge plan of either Airtel or Jio, as only these two internet service providers provide free Wi-Fi calling within India. So then also you would require a Wi-Fi calling compatible device, and you can see whether your mobile is compatible or not by clicking the link in the description below. So after that I will show you now the steps to enable Wi-Fi calling. So first you will swipe down your notification bar, and then you will turn on your Wi-Fi network. So from then you will go to settings, then you will click on connections, that tab above. So then you will see an tab known as Wi-Fi calling. So you will turn it on. Remember that your Wi-Fi connection should be on, and then you will wait for 10 to 15 seconds, and then you will see on my top right corner of the screen that next to the Wi-Fi symbol there is a letter written as wo Wi-Fi. So this means that the Wi-Fi calling is working properly, and now you can enjoy using Wi-Fi calling to call any of your friends or some other person. So please subscribe to this channel and give a like to this video.